In primetime news this evening, 2 persons missing after being washed away by floodwaters.
Nomination day brings out political party heavyweights.
And later, U.S. immigrants weigh in on Trump victory. Good evening and welcome to primetime news. A special welcome to our viewers on TVJ International in the Cayman Islands. I'm Anthony Lug.
And I'm Janella Precious. A special welcome also to our viewers on onespotmedia.com. Now, coming up in business news, renewed concerns about inflation following the results of the U.S. presidential elections. We'll tell you why in the Business Day.
Very interesting times ahead. And Jermaine Brown is also here with a preview of what's to come in sports.
Right, thank you, Anthony. Well, the West Indies are currently facing England in the third and deciding one-day international. We'll give you an update on that. And the Sunshine Girls say they are ready for their series against England, which they'll be playing away, but there are some issues. We'll give you the update on that as well a bit later on.
Romaine Robinson is also here with the latest in the weather report and forecast.
Thanks, Janella. We have conditions expected across most of the island for tomorrow. Generally stable conditions are in the forecast, but we do have some lingering shower activity, some isolated afternoon thunderstorms as well that are forecast mainly for sections of western patches as we move into the weekend.
There's also sports commentary and E-Prime in this newscast, but before the break, the feedback question.
And this evening we are asking, what's your reaction to the results of the U.S. presidential elections?
You can share comments online at facebook.com/televisionjamaica and post on X at TVJ News Center.
Please stay with us. Primetime News returns after this break.